Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to watch Telegram videos in app without using Terabox. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to update your Telegram app. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Telegram. If you see this type of update option over here, you need to tap on it and you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Telegram app. Now, when you see a Terabox link or the download prompt, don't just click on it. Instead, you need to look for the video file inside the chat. It usually shows as a preview with a play button. As you can see over here, this is the video that is sent to me by my friend, and this video is playing itself. I'm not even downloaded this particular video and it is showing itself. So if it is not showing to you, you need to ask the sender to send the file directly and not as the cloud or any external link. Also, you need to check the save messages because sometimes Telegram auto saves the files here. If the method still not working, you need to do a setting that definitely going to help you. For that, you need to come out of the chat. Then on the home page, tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, click on settings. In your settings, go to data and storage. In your data and storage, you will see the automatic media download option. Over here, you need to turn on all of the three options, the mobile data one, the Wi-Fi option, and the WAN roaming option. So you need to turn all of these on, and this way you will be able to watch the Telegram videos without even needing any Terabox or any other app. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.